Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered about a secret weapon hidden in plain sight that could transform your daily life and aid in shedding those extra pounds? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving into the incredible world of Moringa and how it can be your ultimate ally in achieving both everyday wellness and weight loss. Moringa, it's not just a plant, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Moringa is a treasure trove of essential vitamins. From vitamin A for radiant skin to vitamin C for a robust immune system, this superfood's got it all. Calcium, potassium, and iron. Moringa is a mineral-rich marvel, promoting bone health, regulating blood pressure, and ensuring optimal oxygen transport in the blood. Did you know Moringa leaves are a complete protein source? That means it packs all the essential amino acids your body needs. But wait, there's more. Now let's delve into how Moringa can be your secret weapon for shedding those extra pounds. Moringa has been linked to increased metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently, a key factor in weight loss. With its high fiber content, Moringa keeps you feeling full for longer, curbing those midday cravings and supporting your weight loss journey. Need a pre-workout kick? Moringa provides a natural energy boost, making those gym sessions more effective. Now that you're convinced about the wonders of Moringa, let's talk practicality. How can you make it a part of your daily routine? Blend Moringa leaves into your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed kickstart. Sip on Moringa tea throughout the day, a delicious and refreshing way to enjoy its benefits. Get creative in the kitchen. Sprinkle Moringa powder on your salads or incorporate it into your favorite dishes. Incorporating Moringa into your daily routine might just be the game changer you've been searching for. So are you ready to unlock the potential of this incredible superfood? But wait, there's more. I've compiled even more tips and secrets in the best-selling book, Fat Burning Kitchen. And guess what? You can get it for free. Check the link in the description below to claim your copy and kickstart your journey to a healthier, fitter you.